Adam here from Food and Fitness Always, and this evening I'm going to be cooking vegetarian fajitas. So really love this recipe. It's super simple. There's a lot of peppers going into it, onions, a lot of different spices that'll create a nice mix, and yeah, super convenient. And yeah, I look forward to sharing it with you. Let's go.
It's toilet time.
She does not want to be filmed.
Everybody knows it's toilet time.
Good mix. You're looking at yourself in the bowl. It tastes better than it looks.
Does anyone else see a face?
We stolen our chair. Right, let's give this a go. So I hope you like the recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything else that you'd like to see me cook or make, just let me know as well. If you like the video, please hit like, and to see a lot more content, new recipes, hit that subscribe button as well. I'll see you very soon.